Look, I'm jumping, boy. Yes, every time I jump, he boinks. It's literally the space bar. Look, every time he jumps, look. It's literally true. He bonged it. He actually did.
Bruh.
That's horrible.
Bruh, this guy. Oh, no, dude. No.
That's horrible.
Ooh, yummy. Bro.
Oopsie. I might have pushed the boink guy down just a little bit.
Oh, okay. Bro. I'm coming.
Yes.
Thank
go.
you.
You're welcome.
I made it.
Nice. I'm coming. Let's go.
He's coming.
He is coming. He who is coming.
He.
Show me.
He.
Show me. Show me if you're coming. The Markiplier video.
Oh yeah.
Hello everybody, my name is Welcome. Welcome. Bro, the fucking boing guy is like right above us. I hear him.
Bro.
I'm communicating with him. Yeah, there we go. We're communicating.
Gotcha.
Come here, I can't feed you.
Come here, you want some more food? You're still hungry, right? Yeah, I got you.
Okay.
Eat another one. Oh, he's gonna try to give it to me. I'm going up. I think I need to go, guys. Hold on. I think I need to go. He might need that medicinal root you have in your bag. He's really poisoned. No, he's trying to feed it to me. No, I will pass out. I'm too happy.
I took the one fall damage. That's crazy.
No!
This is so stupid. Oh my god. I don't need anything else.
You need a lot
want my
more.
big
What do you
ball.
mean you don't need anything else?
Come here,
I
come
just
here,
want
come
my
here,
big
come here,
ball
come here,
to
come here,
peek. I
come
don't care
back.
about having anything.
Make it.
No, shit. We're wasting all the food. This is actually kind of sad. The poor guys that are gonna come up have no food.
Okay.
Oh no, he's coming. I hear,
All I want to do
I hear
is
the
get
boy.
this to the beach. Bro, he's coming right up there.
No! No, he has the berry! He's gonna feed me the berry! No! I just fed him like 3 again. We keep feeding the poisonous food. This is so dumb. We're wasting all the food.
Oh, someone joined.
Oh,
Cool.
drop it.
Oh, it's... Hello.
Hello.
Is someone gonna take that marshmallow? Or...
What the? What is your cook?
The lantern.
What is this? Does this set you on fire?
It's good. It's good. You want some? You want some? Here, eat it.
No,
Eat it.
stop!
Come here, come here. Eat it. Eat it. It's good for you. It's good for you.
Stop!
You want it. You want it.
No, stop! Actually,
Okay,
actually, stop.
Okay.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, you can have these
no,
then.
Stop.
These
I'm
are
gonna
good.
die. I'm
These are
gonna
good.
die.
These are
Actually,
good.
stop.
These are
I'm
good.
under half.
Have some more. These are good.
No,
These are
actually,
good.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
No, I can carry.
I'm on 0.5 stamina. Actually, stop.
Okay, here. Then take this and I'll carry you.
Bro!
I can carry you if you want.
Okay, can y'all stop?
Give
Oh
him it.
my God.
He's low. Give it to him. Give it to him.
I'm gonna crash out.
Give it to him. Give it to
I'm
him.
gonna crash out.
Oh, he's trying to feed me. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Don't worry. I'm good. I'm not
Bro
hungry.
needs that karma right now.
No. I already got my karma earlier. Don't worry.
No, you need more of that.
No. I don't need it. No, go with nothing.
Yeah, you do.
Go with that berry. Oh fuck. I'm running for my life. Oh, I am jumping. That's him. Like it's horrible. It's scary, bro. Horror game. No! Oh, he almost hit me. Oh, I'm running, I'm running, I'm going for it. I'm making a run for it. Oh no!
Bro, you better be going faster.
Ah! I'm dead. He killed me.
Hold on. I believe there's a way
until it
around.
stops
Yeah,
right.
there's
Oh my god.
You can just go around.
my ears.
Fuck, that's so loud.
Oh, I found a vine.
Bro, you
What?
walked into a bomb.
Drop the bat.
What am I hearing? There's a
Where do
mine
those
right
bandages
there.
go?
There's a mine.
Oh my god.
You right.
Uh
You
oh.
right.
Uh
You
oh.
right.
Uh oh. Okay.
No. Milk for the win.
What am I hearing? Is it a song?
Yeah. What is this song?
I don't know what song this is.
It's Bad to the Bone.
Scoutmaster, Scoutmaster, Scoutmaster,
Oh,
Scoutmaster.
yeah.
Dang it.
Uh oh. Yeah, I'll play it a bit louder for you. Very charming.
I got Scoutmaster, so I'm not doing with that. And I didn't want to. Excuse you.
Fair.
I didn't want to just.
Oh, good job. Professional.
I also have a check.
And that's the first time today I've died. Because of karma.
Oh.
Maybe it's a sign I should not kill people.
That's yeah. That,
I think so, yeah.
Seems valid. Seems valid.
I think so, yeah.
It seems valid. Hey! 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 Does anyone want my
Ooh, makes
rescue
sense.
claw? Because I don't want it.
Yeah, I want it.
Is two open?
Thank you.
Okay.
Those are really good. Rescue claws are goated, man. Oh, wait, man.
Yo, look where I am. Yo, look
Hello.
Turn around.
I see you.
Uh-huh.
You want to get a lift?
Oh, that'd be great.
Yeah? Okay, I got you. Hold on.
Wait.
I'll get you a lift.
pong.
Hey, wait, stand still.
No, wait.
There you go.
He has Bing Bong down there. He has Bing Bong down
Okay.
there.
Did he die?
I have to go down there. Yeah,
Oh,
he died. You jumped
okay.
all the way down there.
Okay, I'm going down with my rescue claw. There we go. Hell yeah.
Hello.
Do you know where Bing Bong went?
I have him.
Oh, how do you still have him in your inventory? At least we didn't lose him. That's good. Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. Very nice.
Yes, yes.
I'm surprised I'm actually alive. I thought it would be a goner.
Got a few tricks up my sleeve. I had 2 cactuses. I spilled one, but it's alright. I got another. There's another. Oh yeah, that was perfect. Oh, the cactus is too heavy.
Those cannons and energy drink. Balloon, I'll take that.
Nice.
If anyone wants to, I'm gonna come get it.
Scorpion.
Hang on. Here.
Alright.
Don't touch my cactus, guys.
Okay. I'm not gonna touch your balls without consent.
Okay.
No way, I still cannot stand there. Oh, what the fuck, I'm dead. Actually. There's no way. Oh, I survived, but damn.
Yo, do you need a med kit?
Yeah, I need a med kit, I'm really hurt. Once more. Thank you. There we
There's the
go.
med kit. Yup.
Hell yeah. Nice, nice.
You're welcome, man. I just need
Thank
food.
you.
I need like food now.
Yeah, I'm also getting pretty hungry. Oh, there's a luggage here. Hopefully some food.
Please, please.
Oh, it's a blowgun, a first aid, and milk. It's all good though.
Would Logan work?
Yeah, it gets rid of everything, also your hunger.
Oh, okay, so shoot the blood gun on me.
Okay.
Just
I would really like one of those berries. I'm gonna try it. I did. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Well, I'm okay.
Okay.
Come on.
I believe in you, man. Oh, wait.
It's too far.
No, just keep trying, keep trying. Don't, wait.
Maybe this is possible.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. How is bro
Oh,
alive?
bombs.
I lost ping. Dynamite.
Yeah, I heard it.
Oh,
I heard it.
bro, I lost Bing Bong.
No.
Wait.
It's like that difficult climbing game.
Wait.
No,
Oh,
come
that's
on.
definitely possible. That's definitely possible.
Yeah, I just want to do it. I should probably go around and have a cool myself, otherwise by accident, this is not optimal.
There we go.
Maybe if you drop your umbrella.
Yeah,
No, that.
it might be too heavy
Okay.
actually. I might have to. I think so.
Ain't no way that actually had happened, bruh. It ain't no
Yeah,
way.
you did it. You did it.
Yes! I'm still hurt.
Jimmy.
No, why am I still hurt?
Oh,
Beautiful.
Continually, I hate myself for the rest of my life after this match.
Yeah, I can never hear that song anymore.
One day I was born.